All right, here we go. It is the summer solstice, and that means pulling honey. I don't know, but today it is. We are gonna pull some honey. This is the comb I left when I scraped, had all the honey in it. I just put it right inside. That way they don't get, not that they'll get robbed, but anyways, that's what that is. And last week I added a fourth honey super. So let's get in, see if we can pull some frames here and go from there. I'm gonna try to lose a box. And it looks like 1, 2, 3. I'm not even using 3 up here, so we should be in good shape. Lose 3. I'm hoping to pull 5 today in that area, and then we'll condense down. So I'm gonna try to show you the honey supers today. Pulling honey. It's been 2 weeks, and they're just drawing that out. All right, so this is one they're just, one side's done, one side's not. One thing I did forget was my brush again. I always forget the brush. But here you go. We're done. Look at that frame. Fat sticking out. Bottoms are all puffed. Thing weighs a ton. And I'm gonna go get my brush, and then we'll keep going. Hold on one second. So I'm just gonna take my time. I'm gonna go slow. We're gonna pull some honey, and the best time of year. Just did a spring chat, first split of the season video the other day. That was awesome. One down. All right, hold on, girls. Let's dig in here. I'm gonna say 2 down. They're still doing a lot of burr comb. Lots of burr comb. Out of the way, girls. Come on. I know you guys are. I got a covered box behind me. Wow, look at all the stuff in here. Oh, girls. All right, good thing we're popping. You guys are doing so much burr comb. Oh, so close. So close. Come on, girls. I'm gonna get that off because it's gonna be a problem down the road. It's gonna be a problem down there. Oh, you guys are everywhere. All right, so they are, we got ourselves a problem here. There is so much burr comb and so many bees on that right now. My girls, just put it up in the frame. All right, so we got 2 out of this box. I'm gonna make room here. As we know, we're gonna lose a box today. I'm hoping we're gonna lose a box today. So we'll make a little bit of room, so I'm not crushing, girls, because I got to pull this whole box off, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Come on, girls. Come on. I'll get that out of here. Get that out of here. It's so high, I had to put it on the hive next to it. That's how high it is. So bear with me here. And we're going to clean it up. Now you'll see what I'm talking about. And get Get my camera to stay still. Look at that. All that burr comb. And I'm just gonna pop it right on top. Just like I did the other day. And then I'll come back another day and scrape it all off. Throw it in my wax melter. All right, girls. We're not even moving off of the... Come on. Come on, girls. We gotta get off there. What a mess. All right, watch out, watch out. Right underneath. Ooh. All right, look at all the nectar coming in. You girls are on fire. This by far is probably, I got 2 hives that have 4 supers on. So this hive and one of my 3-year-old queens is on just different level. All right, come on. Look at it pour out of that. Wow. Girls, if you just put it in a frame, I'd be happy. All right. So here we are. We got 2 so far. One more puff here and I'll get them out of there. See what else we can take. Hoping we can lose a box today. Chickens are angry. Oh yeah, look at that. Outer frame. It's pretty close on one side. Whew. All right, here we go. Oh, you were so close. You were so close. I'm not taking it. This one, I am. There we go. So you got that little bit right, that's complete. And you got that little section right there. All right, girls. So we're up to 3. Come on. And let's see what they got. Yeah, nothing's coming out. Just not cats. There, little section there. The rest is all 100%. Come on, shake test. Nothing comes out. There we go. All right, we're up to 4. Let's see what the middle looks like. I think the middle they left domed. Yeah, they did. That's a little too much. So let's move that out of the way. Let's take a look at this one. It's a little too much. Another couple weeks. Besides, I don't want to be pulling honey every week. Okay, that one, that's close. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it ride. Let it ride, ladies. That one, I'm gonna do the shake test. Get the bees off here first. All right, nothing's coming out. Here we go. Looks good, girls. All right, 5. Call that 6. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so that's 10 frames total from this hive already. And look at how many are close. You look at this one here. I mean, they're capping the outsides, but that's complete. All right, girls. All right, so we got 6 I don't expect any in the other one. I'm gonna just cinch these up. And we'll be doing some condensing here in a minute. But let's get down to the next box. Oh, it still weighs a ton. Okay, so this is the one they've had for, fix my camera here. Had this, why does that thing spin so easily? Had this for 3 weeks now. Do you believe last week they were just starting to, come on, just starting to cap honey on these frames. Come on, let me clean that up. Come on, right underneath. The girls can have it back, just relocating it. So, what else? Like I said, this hive is it's on a different level when it comes to drawing comb. And wait till you see this. So this is 3 weeks. Under supered, had 2 frames that kind of were half drawn. They were started, so I'll give them, I won't count those, but still, look at this. I think you can still see that. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, next week, 2 weeks from now. So I figure if I harvest every 2 weeks right now, I'll get good comb rotation. I'll be giving them back comb that's already drawn. So then now it's just a focus on filling it. But this is pretty good. They're not doming these either. And I'm not quite sure. I know some people say their hives dome and some people don't. Mine seem to dome, but then I'm also thinking this is brand new comb. So maybe a little bit of it has to do with comb that a queen laid in. So that I'm not 100% sure, but that looks amazing. Oh boy. All right, so look at what? Whew, look at this is a fat one. Thing weighs a ton, ladies. Not hard excited about lifting this one either. All right, so we got untouched half. A little bit of half there. Okay, so let's work this back in. Okay, let's get down to honey super number 4. See how we're doing. Where is the separator? All right. Oh yeah. Pretty much. That's not gonna. All right, one more time, we'll adjust. Honey super number 4. They've had this for a week. I do believe these 2 frames here, I took from the outer and moved them in. So they were already working on it, so it wasn't a brand new box. Some really big, what is up with the drawn comb, the burr comb ladies? Come on. So I'm not quite sure. Let's take one more quick little peek in here. See what they're up to. How far they've gotten. Brand new frame. I wouldn't say they did a little strip on that. They seem like they do a center strip and then they come back to it. That's a good little section right there. Nice little that's frame number 2. 3. Once again, this is in a week. This hive is going to give me 2 supers of drawn comb, plus whatever else I've added this season. Look at that. Oh, wow. And you can tell the one they already started because they made it really fat. So that's in a week. And like I said, this is the other one I gave them that was theirs. They already started, but you take 2 they're working on, put it in the center, and then that way it's not a brand new box across the board, because sometimes it takes them a week to even touch it. Didn't have to worry about this hive. Should almost just throw another super on while they're building. You never have enough honey supers, drawn comb. Okay, so that's it. That one's half. So that's what they've done in a week. So thank you for watching.